Oh, hey guys! We are back this week at our friend / producer's house. They recently renovated a dated ranch house and turned it into a beautiful farmhouse.
Today's project, we are tackling their butler's pantry.
So it's always been Lauren's dream to have a butler's pantry.
Butler's pantry.
We don't even have one of those, but it sounds pretty cool.
I want a butler too.
So this room has cabinets on one side, cabinets on the other. It's all about storage, but she does have the perfect spot for a little something for herself.
So we're gonna build her a very simple desk that Whitney has designed with what, 6 boards?
6 boards, guys, and it's gonna be super cute. Wait till you see it. We better get to work though.
All right, let's stop talking, let's go. This is all you need to build this 6-board farmhouse desk. 2 2x4x8s. We have ripped these down to 3 inches. You can check out our video below in the description box to see our video on how we rip those down. You also need 2 1x3x6 boards. And you need 1 1x4x6 board, that's right here. And then you also need 1 16-inch by 48-inch pine project panel. And a sister with shiny pants. All right, let's build this thing.
Let's do it.
So loud. Okay, first thing first, we are going to take one of the 2x4 boards. Make sure you go download and print the free plans on our website, guys, and you don't have to listen to all of our measurements. So we have our runner board. This is the longest 2x4 board. This is going to run under the tabletop. We have added 1.5-inch pocket holes to each end of this runner, and we are going to attach those to 2 of our 15-inch boards. So Ashley has 2, or 1, and I have 1. You just want it to be centered, so Ashley's marking 1.5 inches on the end of her board. We are going to attach these using wood glue and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. Normally, we would build the entire base of a table and then set the tabletop on it. However, in this case, we're going to be able to access attaching that tabletop better if we do it in this first step, and then we'll kind of build it upside down and then flip the whole thing over. This is Ashley's first time with the drill. Oh, Ash, glasses. I actually don't even know where my glasses are. So, you're a step ahead of me. Okay, so at this point, hold it up, Ash. We have an eye. Aye. We're gonna lay that down, and it's going to line up 3/4 of an inch from each front and back, and 1/2 inch from each side. So I'm just gonna mark right here, kind of just give myself a little outline of where I want that to line up again, and that way we can lift this up and add our wood glue, and then we won't have to measure it all up again. We're gonna lay that down back on our marks. On your mark, get set, time to nail it. And we are using 2-inch finish nails with our nailer. Attach those all the way down. All right, so we have that attached, and now we are going to add our legs. So the legs are also 2x4 boards. There's 1.5-inch pocket holes on each top and bottom. We want those to face the back. Now we've marked center. They're gonna line up center, and we're attaching these with 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. Now we have our other 2 15-inch pieces. And these, you want, whatever the ugly side is, you're gonna want that facing up because that's the part that's gonna actually face down. Okay. Do you have an ugly side?
Not really.
So again, you wanna line that up center. So the center of this board, the center of the 15-inch board. And these will also be attached with 2.5-inch pocket hole screws.
It makes me want to eat when I'm in the pantry with this.
Everything makes me want to eat. So at this point, we are going to add some cute feet to this. So these are cut at a 30-degree angle, and they are going to fit just on top of these. We are adding a line of wood glue. We're getting this nice and straight, kind of working upside down. We are going to attach these feet pieces using the 2-inch nails again. Okay, so if you notice, guys, the top part that we're adding, the decorative part, is 3.5 inches wide, whereas the other board under it's 3 inches. This will give you just a small overhang on each side, which just gives it a little more depth, makes it really cute. Okay, so at this point, we are going to flip this desk up on its feet. Done, just like that. And now we're gonna add the cute decorative pieces to the front. These are 1x3 boards, and we have already cut these down to size. The easiest way to do this, guys, is to actually take your board over to the side when you get to this point and mark these cuts exactly rather than trying to figure it out with the degrees. We are using the pin nailer to attach these trim pieces. The great thing about this pin nailer is once the nails are in, you can't see the holes at all. And you don't want to use this for like a structural hold. The wood glue, these are just trim pieces, so a pin nailer is great for trim pieces, and the wood glue is really going to be what holds it together.
Okay, so we did the bottom, and now we are lining up the top, and we are going to attach it the exact same way. Now let's pull this forward just a bit, and we're going to attach the other two pieces, and these will go on the back and will be attached the exact same way. You can also adjust the length of it. So in Lauren's situation, she's got this space that we were working with that fits under the window, but she also wanted to be able to open her cabinet doors, so we fixed the width to 46 inches, but you can also make it as long or as short as your space needs it to be.
All right, 20 minutes and done. Now all we have to do is sand it down and add a finish, but that is a $30 6-board farmhouse desk.
Now she just needs a bell for her butler. Have y'all caught the whole Alvarez series? Be sure to click all the links below in the description box to take you to the other videos.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos.
Now shut the door, we want to be alone. We're such losers. You take your glasses off.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
Really safe. We've made 1.5 inch pocket holes in each. We love this thing. We are back at our friend / producer's house. They recently I'll do to a beautiful farmhouse, and
Today's project, I was trying to help.
Sorry.
Bye, guys.